Now the beam AB, as shown in the figure, having the span of 8.5 meter, hinge supported at support A and roller supported at support B, and the roller support is making an angle of 30° with the horizontal, and we have to find out the reaction RA and RB. Now, very first of all, we have to resolve the components of reaction and the load, which is incline 1. Here, this 4 kN load is incline 1, which is making an angle of 45° with the horizontal. That's why the component is R cos 45. Vertical component is of R sin 45. Here also this reaction RB, it makes an angle 30 over here. That's why this component is of RB cos 30 and RB sin 30. And here this reaction RA, we are resolving into a two component, that is HA and VA. Now let us solve this problem. Now let us take the moment of all the forces about point A. Now let us take summation of all the moment about point A. Now due to this reaction component of RB, actually for your simplification I have shown over here, actually it is located at this location, and this horizontal component is passing from the point A. That's why the perpendicular distance is 0 over here, and this reaction component is actually shown over here. For our simplification I have shown over here, the perpendicular distance is of total span is of 8.5 meter. That's why minus RB cos 30 into 8.5. Now this 5 kN force, it makes an clockwise movement about point A, and the perpendicular distance is of 2. That's why 5 into 2. Now here also this resolve component, horizontal component, it is actually passing from the axis of your beam. That's why the perpendicular distance is 0 here. That's why we are not considering this horizontal component. And this vertical component, having the perpendicular distance is of this 2 plus this 2, it becomes a 4, and 4 sin 45 into 4. And this 5 kN load, it is also making a clockwise movement at point A, and the perpendicular distance is of this 2 plus this 2 plus this 3, it becomes a 7. That's why 5 into 7. Now if you solve this term, if you solve the terms, what you will be getting? 5 into, first of all, 5 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 4 sin 45 into 4 plus 5 into 7. Okay, this term is 56.31. Now what we have to make? We have to take this cos 30 and 8.5 term to this side. It means that we have to divide this 56.31 with the 8.5 first. Then again what we have to divide this term with the cos 30. Cos 30. Divide the term with the cos 30. What you will be getting? 7.65. Your reaction RB is 7.65. Once you will be getting this reaction RB, now let us find out this HA and VA. To find out this, let us take summation of all horizontal force, that is summation Fx is equal to 0. Now here, if you see here, HA is going to the right side. That's why we are taking it as positive. This 4 cos 45 is going right side. That's why we are taking it as positive. And here this RB sin 30 and RB value is of 7.65. That's why 7.65 sin 30, which is going in the left side. That's why taken as negative. Now if you solve this one, let us see the answer. 4 cos 45 minus 7.65 sin 30. If you solve this, minus 995. Minus sign what indicates that what we have assumed, the direction of HA, what we have assumed is right side, but it is wrongly shown. The correct side is of left side. It means that your HA is of 0.995 kilonewton, which is going in the left side direction. Okay. Now let us find out the VA. To find out the VA, what we have to make the summation of all vertical forces, summation Fy is equal to 0. Now if you see here, now let us solve the term. Now HA is revised over here. HA is shown in the left side direction now, and your RB is of 7.65. Now let us solve the terms. Summation of all the vertical forces is equal to 0. Now here VA is going vertically upward, that's why positive. This 5 kilonewton force is going downward, that's why minus 5. This resolve component is going downward, that's why minus 4 sine 45. This 5 kilonewton force is going downward, that's why minus 5. And here this resolve component of reaction RB is going vertically upward, that's why it should be shown plus sign. Wrongly it is shown minus sign. That's why 7.65 cos 30. Now if you solve these terms, solve the terms. Now let us see, minus 5 minus 4 sine 45 minus 5 plus this term will be plus, because this reaction going vertically upward. 7.65 cos 30 is equal to minus 6.25. It means that your reaction component is going vertically downward. It is wrongly shown vertically upward. We have assumed this one vertically upward, but it is vertically downward. Now if you put the values of horizontal and vertical component, that is VA and HA, in this equation to find out the reaction RA, reaction R is equal to what? Summation of this HA square and VA square and HA square, that is 0.995 square plus this 6.25 square under root term. Now if you solve this one, now let us use this pole function, shift pole. Now here 0.995 comma 6.205 is equal to 6.28. That is the reaction RA. By using this, summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and sum of all the moment about any point is equal to 0. We have found out the reaction RA RB for the provided beam.